Understanding Unstructured Data, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of data and technology: unstructured data. If you've ever wondered what this term means and why it's important, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into the world of unstructured data and demystify it together. In this section, we'll define unstructured data. Unlike structured data, which is organized in a specific format, like databases or spreadsheets, unstructured data doesn't follow a specific format or structure. It includes things like emails, videos, social media posts, and much more. Understanding this distinction is crucial in comprehending the vast and varied nature of unstructured data. Here, we'll explore various examples to illustrate what unstructured data looks like in real life. Think about the text you send, the photos you take, or the tweets you read. All these are examples of unstructured data. They are not in a standardized format, making them different from the neat rows and columns you might find in a database. Unstructured data is incredibly valuable because it forms a large part of the data we generate daily. In this section, we'll discuss its importance in business, research, and our everyday lives. From helping companies understand customer feedback to aiding researchers in analyzing social trends, unstructured data has a myriad of uses. Dealing with unstructured data isn't always easy. This section will highlight some challenges, such as storage issues, difficulties in analysis, and the need for advanced tools and techniques to process and understand it effectively. As we generate more and more data every day, the role of unstructured data is becoming increasingly significant. This section will look at the future prospects, including how emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to harness the power of unstructured data. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of unstructured data. We hope this video has been informative and has shed light on this complex yet fascinating topic. Remember, unstructured data is all around us, and understanding it is key to unlocking its potential. Stay curious, and keep learning. See you in the next video.